I guess I should tell you what kind of engine this is. This is a Briggs and Stratton 18.5 horse ELS 500. I believe it's the Intech, or the predecessor to the Intech. It's on a Code Cadet. What was that model number? LT 1018. So, let me get this mounted and I'll start taking stuff apart. Here we go. I'm going to take the intake bolts off. Take the valve covers bolts off. Now, I'm going to take these exhaust bolts out. Alright, this is going to take a minute. I gotta, they're kind of stuck, so I'm going to spray a little oil on there and let it set a minute. Boy, that took a little doing. Huh. I gotta grab that washer. Alright, valve cover's coming off. Gasket looks pretty good. I'm going to pull the plug. I'm going to back these off, pull them push rods out, and then I'm going to start taking the head bolts off. I'm going to pull a plug first. Here's something you should remember, and I'm going to remember this myself. The aluminum push rod goes on the bottom. The steel push rod goes on the top. And I'm going to pull this shroud off. Actually, I'm not going to take it completely off. I'm going to take this off and just raise this up. Now I'm going to pull the plug and start loosening the head bolts. Alrighty. Let's start pulling them head bolts off. I've already loosened all of them. I'm a little ahead of you. Last one. All right, I think that's the last one. All right, let me see if I can get this off. Yeah. Look at how now I'm gonna clean all that up too. But all right, right here. Let me take you off of this. And this is really, really common. Right there is where the gasket has, let me see if I can get it off here. I'm going to turn it around. Okay, you see all that oil right there? What's happening is the pressure from the cylinder busted a hole right through here, and here it is. And it's pressurizing the crankcase and blowing oil out that fuel pump. So, let me get a wire brush. I'm going to clean all this off. I'm going to clean that off real good. And we'll be right back. All right, carburetor cleaner. going to do that to the head, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, that's as clean as I'm going to get it. I'm fixing to put that gasket on there, and the next clip you'll see me tightening this down. Alright, I do not have a torque wrench. I have torque hands. So here we go. All right, you get the idea. Back in a minute. Boy, is it hot. I think it's the heat index is going to be up into the hundreds. I'm gonna do this by hand because I just want to make sure I can feel how tight I'm getting them. Alright, noise alert. I'm going to crank it, let it run just a minute. Actually, I'm probably going to let it run about 10 or 20 minutes to burn all the oil out of that fuel pump. And then I'm going to get my pressure washer out and clean this all up and put it up for sale. I'm going to ask $600 for it. I have new tires, new battery, new air filter, new belts, new blades, new voltage regulator, all new wheels on the deck. It's a damn good mower, but I don't have room for three. I really hate to get rid of it, but now I got my wife's new mower and my ZTR. There's just no room to keep three of them in here, and I don't want to keep this outside. So I think this time of year I can get $600 for it. Let me crank it up, and I'll just give you a minute or two of that running. We'll be right back.